Umhlambi kaMthembu is finally back, and obviously that will mean a loss for Mamzobe and Sibusiso. But the main question here is, are they going to just back down and accept the defeat? Because knowing Mamzobe, I doubt that she'll ever back down. So let's talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I want to request you guys to like this video, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. So after a very long time of waiting, Zamcolo finally managed to get his father's flock back together. On the recent episode of Mkoka the Curse, people who were broken away to Kulegani's church decided to return to Spamanla's church, and personally, I didn't expect that to happen. Those who have watched the episode will know that it was Pamandla against Sibusiso, as Pamandla was praying for those people to come back to his church, while Sibusiso was also praying to Mlungisi for his church to be full. But as always, Mthembu always win. I think this is how Mkoka the Curse starts to be interesting. I really cannot wait to watch what is now going to happen to Mamzobe and Sibusiso. More especially Mamzobe and Ndlovu, because generalities are stating that Sibusiso will repent and go to Spamanla's church to be a prophet there. Now I'm curious, what is going to happen to Mamzobe and Ndlovu? Are they going to team up again and try stealing back those church members? Or are they going to come up with a different plan of getting their powers back? I don't know. Do comment in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts and opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like this video. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. Do also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.